Keshav, and today we will look at how to write books. So let's get started. So this program is called Manuskript. Yeah, this program is called Manuskript, and this is how it starts. So we have here three options as to fiction, non-fiction and demo projects. Inside fiction there is first empty fiction, which lets you do all the stuff, and then there is novel, so there is 20 chapters and 5 scenes of 500 pages each. So this is kind of takes care of the statistics while writing, and you can choose how many words per pages and per scene there will be. So then there is novella. Novella has, instead of 10 chapters there is 20, instead of 20 chapters there is 10 chapters, and it's kind of same. Then there is short story, which has 10 scenes of 1000 words each, so you can change it. And then there is trilogy, and 3 books of 3 sections, 3 chapters. Okay, so yeah. Okay, let's see if it changes name. No. So there are many words. Okay, good. Then there is empty non-fiction. Empty non-fiction, you can take hold of every settings in it. So I've created 10 chapters of each and deleting it of something. It says, so yeah, book name. Okay, so yeah, it creates empty non-fiction pages. And then there is research paper, if you are into the scientific research. Then there is 3 sections with 1000 words each. Total of there are 3000 words per approximate 12 pages. Then there is demo projects. Now in the demo projects there are the structure, how these all are structured. So in the Jerusalem part there is 1 chapter, 7 chapters. Inside those there is introduction, and as you can see the statistics, there are 72 words here. And so this is okay. So yeah, this is how it all works. It's a great program to write. If you want to write books, then you should really consider this program. It's available for Linux if you are into Linux. And yeah, so yeah, this is how the chapters are structured, the content, and this is the content of those chapters. So yeah, there are many tools in Linux to write books, so this is one of them, and I found it very good. So yeah, and in the general section there is the title. So you want to write a book or a novel or a non-fiction, so that's why it has the title and all the things that you would need to write a book. The author name is Luke. You can write the author name, email, subtitle, title, and if you have volume, so you can also mention that. And if it is based on some situation, you can use that and summarize it in a 1 sentence, paragraph and page and full page. So, and the words count will also be there. So yeah, as you can see. Okay, then there is character, the main character, and it also helps you define all your characters, their motivation, goals, conflict, epiphany, one sentence summary, one paragraph summary. And yeah, you can write here about the summary of your characters and notes and detailed info. It's too much. So yeah, and you can characterize your characters into order of importance. So these two are the main ones. If you want secondary character, you can use this tool to kind of shift your characters into the position you want. And yeah, this is all. Then there is plot. The main is the good news spread from Jerusalem to Rome. So yeah, this is also based on the importance. And the basic info, Peter needs to broaden his understanding of the gospel. So this is the plot, and importance is secondary. Characters are these. If you want some more, then yeah, in the secondary. So this is also included. Okay, so you can see how this shift to another secondary. It's so this is how you define your characters and their identity, so that you can write better, and it helps you decide how you will go around with writing your novel. So it's kind of interesting. And yeah, so, and there are worlds as well. So places, just for this example, there is Jerusalem, and the description area we need to write. Okay, source of passion and source of conflict. So this is a great tool to help you write novels. And yeah, so all the chapters are divided upon the title. So all the titles are divided into chapters, and all these chapters are divided into sections. So you can write it, and you can write better. And if you want to import, you can import it under the section, and it uses these formats: markdown, mind map, OPL, folder. What folder? Okay. And the pendoc folder, like markdown, OTD, EPUB, docx, HTML, restructure text, latex, OPML. So if you want to import, you can import. By the way, if you have complete with your book or novel, you can compile, and it will compile it for you. So there are some options which format you want to compile to, like plain text, markdown, HTML, OPM, not okay, and pendoc version as well, like markdown, latex, HTML, EPUB, open document, docx. And there are many formats to export. Then here you can preview what you will be exported. So yeah, this is how it will export, like it, and we will export it. So yeah, let's export here with the name Jesus. And if you go to the folder which you have exported it to, so this is the format it will be presented to you, and this will help you in your writing. So yeah, it structures your book very well. So in the markdown syntax, we use just one hashtag to denote or signify heading, and use two hashtags to signify heading 2 or subheading. So yeah. So as you can see, it gives you many extensions to export your writing, and here you can, in this part or section, you can preview what you have written. So I don't know why this markdown isn't actually working. By the way, it is still showing up. So yeah, what about export? Okay, so this is all about it. There are many writing tools other than this. There is this LibreOffice for your writing, but I don't like it. I don't find it good. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and I don't think so it supports anything. So it's kind of notepad for Linux, and it is used for everything, to write and documents. So yeah, hello, or just simply Keshav Sharma, and there you have it. Wait. Okay, so you can use the keyboard buttons to keys. So you can also use the keyboard keys to adjust what you are going to do. So here is heading, and I converted it to seconds or subheading. Then there is lower. So as you can see here, the font size is changing. So it is all done using the keyboard. So yeah, it increases and it decreases. So there are other fonts as well. I have installed some new fonts as well through Google Fonts, and like Arial, or let's test Arial or Arimo. Arimo is still good. So it's bold and italic. I don't want it to be like this. So yeah, this is how it will look like. Hello, my name is Keshav, or whatever you can write. So this was LibreOffice Writer, and this one is Manuscript. I have demonstrated you both of the softwares at the same time, and so yeah, this is how your novels will look like, and you can also create a new chapter if you want. There will be all. Okay, so inside this new, there's nothing, so you can see it. Okay, so that's all. Hope you find this Manuscript program helpful and better than other options. So yeah, bye bye.